Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. It's January the 8th, 2020. It's been 1 year and 23 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers. Start off with the Burmy Bag Minimist. It's actually been 7 weeks since we got started with this system. And we've been feeding pumpkin past couple weeks. Last week we had an awesome worm ball in the pumpkin. And we got another one this week. Oh, let's get the shadow. There we go. See that? Focus. Lots of worms, lots of red wigglers in those roots. So they definitely need some more food. Oh yeah, lots of red wigglers. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's pretty much all gone. Alright, grab some pumpkin. I've been feeding in the middle. I've got 4 pieces. I'm just going to feed in each corner. There is plenty of bedding, so I'm just going to cover it up with some existing cardboard. Just do it in the corners. We'll see what happens next week on Red Wiggler Wednesday. We'll move on to the Worm Factory 360. And this top was just bedding. Don't think there's any worms in here yet. Yeah, but it was just shredded cardboard and coffee grounds and filters. And we got pumpkin sprouts in the second tray. See what kind of worm action we got. Man, that is black. Yeah, I've been working it for sure. A little dry, but there's a few worms here and there. It smells really good. It's got that good earthy smell. And the next tray had some pumpkin. Pull them up in the light so you can see. Should have grabbed my headlamp. We got a few worms in there. Probably grab some pumpkin and we'll go ahead and feed them some more. And I've got couple pieces of pumpkin. I'll put 2 in each. Put the smaller one in that top tray. Just gonna cover them up with some existing bedding. And this one's getting pretty worked through. Go ahead and throw some in there though. In that back corner. And then this top tray, we started with the coffee grounds and bedding. Put 1 little piece in that, and I am going to spray this down with some water off camera and take a quick peek in on our big pumpkin stems. See how they're doing. And we got a few worms around. Yep, we got a few worms hanging out. Oh yeah, this one's really getting broke down. If it's just bad or the worms or what. No, there's worms inside. Sure enough. Alright. Cover them back up. Might add some moisture to this bin as well. Quick little update. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.